Hey everybody, just before we get into today's video, I just want to say quickly, there's a lot of challenges in this video. You do not have to complete them all, okay? You can have a listen through. It might be that you pick your favourite top 3 to do. It might be that over the course of time you'd like to give each of them a go, but I've put lots in here just to try and cover everything that we've learnt so far. But it does not mean that you have to do all of these challenges. That would take you a long time. I'm just giving you lots of challenges so that you have lots of options to choose from, okay? The main thing is that you're learning but enjoying it and having fun. All right, so you do not have to do all of these challenges. Feel free to listen through and pick some of your favourites to do today for your maths learning. All right, I really hope you enjoy, and now I'll let us get into the video. Okay everybody, welcome to your final lesson on time. Okay, you have worked really hard for the last good few weeks learning all about time, and today we're just going to do some really fun time challenges to bring it all to a close for you guys, okay? So how it's going to work is I'm going to read you a little challenge, and then your task, you might want to pause the video because your task is then to go away and to complete this time challenge in your workbook, okay? I think it's going to be really exciting. I think you're really going to enjoy it. And it's looking at all different parts of time, okay? Starting from morning and night all the way to clocks. Okay, so all of those wonderful things, all to do with time that we have been learning about. So I hope that you're really excited. We're going to try and visit everything in a little which way. And feel free to spread this across, a couple of days if you want. So you don't have to do all of the challenges today. I just think it's really nice to finish off with some different challenges, okay? And then at the end, we'll have a little time investigation challenge for you. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so challenge number 1. Laurel's favourite season is when it is cold. Sometimes it is snowy too. Laurel likes to build snowmen, wear her woolly scarves and gloves, and drink hot chocolate. Yum yum. What is Laurel's favourite season? Can you think of any other seasons? Which season is your favourite? Okay guys, feel free to pause this if you want to get on with that, and then just restart it when you're ready, okay? Challenge number 2. Can you describe your day to a grown-up or someone who you live with? Can you use the words morning, afternoon, evening, and night? Pause the video if you'd like to get going with this challenge. Can you look at a calendar? You might have one in your home, or you could look at one on the internet. Can you see the different days of the week and the months of the year? Can you now find the month that you were born in? When is your birthday? Can you remember and tell us your birthday? Okay, your next challenge. Can you now make a simple calendar? You might make it for a week or for a month. You'll need to write the days of the week, and you could write the month too. Can you use your calendar to write down special events and activities? Can you then write using the words day, week, month, tomorrow, yesterday, and next week? Can you play a game of hide and seek? When you are counting while other people try to hide, can you count using 1 potato, 2 potato to 10 or 20? Does this give the others enough time to hide? How could you give the others more or less time? Can you go on a hunt around your house to find how many different ways of measuring time you can find? Can you find a clock, or a watch, or a timer, or a stopwatch? Can you talk about what these things are used for? What numbers can you see? Can you draw some pictures of the different ways that you have found to measure time? Could you ask some of the people that you live with or an adult to play What's the Time, Mr. Wolf? So what happens is one person stands with their back to the people playing, and everybody asks, "What's the time, Mr. Wolf?" Mr. Wolf, which would be you, says a time like 4 o'clock. and everybody steps forward 4 steps. You keep going with different times until Mr. Wolf says dinner time and chases everyone back to the start. The person Mr. Wolf catches becomes Mr. Wolf next. Can you remember where the minute hand will be for it to be o'clock, for time to be o'clock? And if it's 4 o'clock, what number would the hour hand be on? Can you have a think? Good luck, guys. Okay, guys, so there we did have for you some time challenges. Like I said at the beginning, please do feel free to pick your favourite ones to give a go. It's just pulling together all of the learning that we've done on time so far, and that will be the end of our learning on time so far. Notice it will come into lots of things throughout your day, and things that you say and things that you do. You'll start thinking about time a lot more, and I do encourage you to keep talking about it, saying, you know, that took a long time, or that didn't take as much time as I thought. You know, keep doing all of these things to keep talking about time and to continue to keep learning about it. But next week in maths, we will be moving on to some new learning. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed that today, guys.